Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 QT air fryer, a versatile kitchen must-have that crisps, roasts, bakes, and reheats with its 4-in-1 functionality. Thanks to its EvenCrisp technology, you can achieve a perfect golden finish with crispy, tender results every time, and with customizable one-touch smart programs, whipping up wings, roasted veggies, or even cinnamon buns has never been easier. Say goodbye to long preheating times, as this air fryer takes you from frozen to golden in minutes, offering a temperature range from 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for gourmet meals. Clean up is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, and safety features like overheat protection and auto-off keep your mind at ease. Plus, with included accessories like a grill plate and skewer set, the culinary possibilities are endless. Don't forget to download the free Instant Pot app, available on iOS and Android, to discover over 100 recipes and elevate your cooking game. Whether you're preparing quick meals, side dishes, or appetizers, the Instant Pot Vortex air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.